Hello guys, I'm greeting you on our channel, and today I will help you and I will show you how to correctly activate the promo code and get the maximum bonus up to $515. First of all, for this you need to download the application from the official site. I will leave the link in the pinned comment, and in the description you can find our actual promo code. Second one, go to the application, and if you have an account, then log out of it. After that, you need to click registration. Right now I will choose in one click, but you can choose 3 other variants. Tap there. In menu current country, you need to choose your current country. Mine is United States, current value to US dollar. Select your bonus, accept, and enter the current promo code is ZANOS24. Accept all the rules and confirm that I'm over 18 years old. Tap on the green check mark and wait loading for the captcha. I'm not robots. Bicycles. It will be easy, guys. I think, yeah, there, and that's all. No one. Bicycles. Verify. Of course. Yeah. There. I don't know, but verify. And after loading, we will see our login and passwords. Screenshot this for pleasure or change it right now. Next, account deposit. In account deposits menu, in order to receive a bonus, you need to replenish the balance in any way convenient for you. Balance is replenished almost instantly. Goodbye and good luck to all. Have fun.